This is our rectangular solid calculator for mathcelebrity.com. To get there, you type rectangular solid. So the calculator has 5 entry boxes, and the directions tell you you can enter one of the following 7 combinations. So length, width, and height, volume, length, and width, volume, length, and height, volume, width, and height, surface area, length, and width, surface area, length, and height, and surface area, width, and height. We'll cover a few of these, but they're pretty self-explanatory. So we'll start with the first one. Let's say we know length, width, and height, so we're going to press calculate rectangular solid. Press the button. So what this calculator is going to do is it's going to take what you entered or what's given, and it's going to find out everything about the rectangular solid that it can. So in this case, we first find lateral area, which is here. Blow this up a little more. Second is surface area. There's a formula in the math. And finally, volume. So pretty straightforward. So now we're going to take the volume of 105. Let's do that here. And let's remove height. Press calculate. So now here's our volume formula, but now we're going to divide out to isolate h. And we do get 7 from our last problem, which is great. That's what we were hoping for. Now, we also get, let me expand this a little bit. We also get our 112 for lateral area and our surface area of 21 that we got before, which is great. So as you can see, even though we switched what we knew, the calculator still solved for everything, which is pretty cool. Now, surface area was 71. So let's try surface area 71. And height was 7. So let's remove this, and we'll try to solve for width. We should get 5 if everything works. So there's the surface area formula. We do some algebra and simplify, get to this point, and then we do this. Divide each side by L plus H. And here's our expression for W. Plug in the numbers, and we do indeed get 5, which is great. Next, we calculate lateral area. Again, 112, just like the last 2 calculations. And finally, surface area, 71. So as you can see, you can do a lot with this calculator. We just used one example of numbers. Now, if you run out of problems in your textbook, we also have a pretty cool feature, Generate Practice Problem. You press that button once, and it generates a completely random practice problem. You press that button again, and it generates another practice problem for you. So we'll go ahead and solve for length, width, and height. We know that, so let's solve for surface area and volume. So we plug in our practice problem numbers, 3, 9, and 15. We get lateral area 360, surface area of 207, and volume of 405. So that's it. We've also got a quiz generator in this lesson as well to kind of keep your skills sharp. If you do have any questions how to use that quiz generator, visit the video link under this folder here. As always, if you have any questions or enhancement suggestions, please use the Contact Us link. Thanks for watching.